Hello everyone, how are you? Have you got your sheet? Show your sheet. Yes. And we can see there is a picture. And in this picture, how many cups? তাহলে আমরা কি বলবো? There are 6 cups. And what are their color? The first one is No, wait. একসাথে. First one is second one is third one is fourth one is fifth one is purple and the last one is show your cups all of you সবাই সবার কাপটা দেখাও কোথায় cups here this one thank you